Oh, hi, welcome back to English with Ari. With me, Ari Hastam, your English teacher. And we finished the first chapter about two and enough, and the second chapter about advertisement. That's okay. And it's time for us to move on to the next chapter, and that is a report text. So imagine that you are a scientist and you go to the jungle to, let's say, to observe some animal, that orangutan, and then let's say monkey and so on. And then you finish your observation, then you need to write something. Oh, monyet itu kayak gini, habitatnya kayak gini, the food is like this, ciri-cirinya is just like this. Nah, itu namanya text report. So it's like ya laporan. You go somewhere and to observe something, and you finish your observation and you write it. And the writing, we call it as a report text. Karena based on research, jadi report text ini harus fakta. You cannot put fiction right there. Misalkan the monkey fly gitu nggak boleh, karena itu cuma hanya ada di film, and it's not a fact. So that's why because it's a research report, so that's why report text must be a fact because it's based on observation. And of course some people will ask, kenapa sih ini text report ditulis, tujuannya apa? When people ask you a question like that, you can answer them that the purpose of report text, I will put subtitle here. the purpose of report text is to describe something in general. For example, to describe like panda in general, to describe shark in general, to describe komodo in general. So the keyword when it comes to report text is that in general. Jadi memang report ini bahas sesuatu yang general sekali, sangat umum sekali. We cannot write something really specific. Misalkan kucingku gitu nggak boleh. It must be kucing aja. Well, and just like the other text, that report text ini punya susunan. Ada strukturnya begitu. The first paragraph namanya apa, sisanya itu namanya apa. Well, in report text, the first paragraph biasanya ada judul di atas. But sometimes if you do not put the title, that's okay, karena memang tidak harus ada judulnya. And then the first paragraph itu namanya adalah general classification. Nah, di paragraf pertama ini kamu ngenalin mau bahas apa gitu. Pokoknya pengenalan terhadap topik yang mau dibahas, terhadap hewan yang mau dibahas, or maybe thing yang mau dibahas. And then sisanya itu cuma description aja. Jadi misalkan paragraf 1 mengenalin, aku mau bahas panda nih. Nah, the second paragraph, the third paragraph, the fourth paragraph mungkin tentang seperti ini. Let's say the second paragraph is about the panda's habitat. The third paragraph mungkin tentang the panda's food. The fourth paragraph maybe about ciri-ciri fisiknya panda. Ya, something like that. Pokoknya you put description yang banyak to make your report text ini jadi lebih informatif begitu. Nah, report text also has characteristic, ciri-ciri report text ini. It's different from the other text karena dia bahasnya sesuatu yang really general, dan biasanya we use simple present tense. If you use to be, berarti to be-nya SMR. Kalau pakai verb ya verb 1, tidak boleh verb 2, verb 3, the other verbs because it's present tense. And then report text is quite close, is the best friend of descriptive text. Jadi mereka ini mirip sekali. Kalau descriptive ini sangat spesifik. Let's say we discuss panda. Kalau descriptive it must be really specific. For example, siapa ya? Miss Eka's panda gitu. Pandanya Bu Eka. For example, you discuss this. Miss Eka's panda's color is blue. Nggak apa-apa, karena itu yang warnanya biru cuma punyanya Bu Eka aja. The panda eat iron, pandanya makan besi. That's fine, karena itu pandanya Bu Eka. Really specific. Ya, yang kayak gitu yang punyanya Bu Eka. Well, report text ini sangat general, berarti panda di dunia dijadiin satu. Jadi rata-ratanya panda tuh kayak gini. Warnanya putih sama hitam, makannya bambu, and so on and so forth. Nah, you got it now? And then usually we can find report text ini di banyak tempat. For example, on magazine boleh, di encyclopedia boleh, or you can easily find in Wikipedia boleh, di internet boleh, di buku-buku pelajaran juga ada. So you can easily find report text. And that's it for today. And if you have any question, you can ask me via or you can just send me email, or just you can also call me. And see you on the next English with Ari. Nice to meet you, and bye.